Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I know it's been a while, I haven't made a video, but I basically ended up purchasing my tires for my car. I know you guys could barely see me. I don't know what's going on with the camera, but yeah, I finally got my tires installed. I love it. You know, Lexani, they're awesome. The smooth ride. Show you guys how it looks. 55k tread wear, so 55,000 miles. It's gonna last a long time. Look at that. Look at that, guys. Look at that. Yes, brand new front and back. Got them installed on my Avalon, front and back. And make sure every oil change, I'm gonna do my best to rotate them so they can last longer. And everything is straight. My axle is good, my control arm is good, my shocks is good, ball joints, all that is good. So man, I'm happy. It's my beautiful Avalon. Got the Lexani tires installed. 55k miles tread wear. My tire size is 215, 55, or 17. As you can see right there, guys. Yes, 215, 55, or 17 tread wear. That's my tire size. And so far I'm loving it. The way how the car drive now, it feels way better. You feel me? Got more traction, of course, because oh my goodness, the ones that was in the front was no good. It was terrible. And these are the 98W, so they're more wider than the 94V. So these right here is more wider. So awesome tire, you know, especially here on this Avalon. You know, you're gonna get the comfort ride. You know, it's made for comfort. So yeah, guys, I'm happy. I really recommend these tires. These tires, you know, as I said, you go on Walmart, check them out, see if your tire size, they have these in your tire size. Lexani, that's the name of the tires. And yeah, see if they have the tire size. Go online, guys. I got it for like $125 for two, so it's like $64 $64 a piece. And you know, they hit it with tax, of course. So yeah, it's like 64 a piece. They hit it with tax, and it depends on the tire size. But Lexani is not bad. It's better than the cross. I can't remember the last one that I had on my car, but it's better than those. It's better than the Black Hawk as well. So I really recommend the Lexani tires. I haven't drove it in the rain yet to see how they feel, but I know I'm gonna get some good traction due to they're new, you know. And Lexani is a good brand. I heard a lot of good stuff about it. But yeah, guys, I'm happy. I do need to put it in the system. Start up the vehicle. I know it's gonna get hot in here sooner or later. But yeah, I do need to put in the system. I don't really have to, because as I said, I'm gonna rotate my tires anyways. I'm gonna rotate my tires every oil change, so I don't got nothing to worry about really. Just make sure, you know, everything is good. See my next rotation right here. I already, because I had bought the ones in the back before I bought the ones in the front. So I have like 5,000. Yeah, like about 5,000 and some change left remaining. I don't even know. This is for the oil change. I don't even remember what I did, but I know when my oil light come on. I know yeah, that's what I put for rotation. I don't know why I put that in there like that. Yeah, I can't remember. But anyways, maybe I need to change it. I could change it today for the rotation part. Yeah, this is for the oil change. So yeah, basically, why is showing kilometers instead of miles? I need to change that. But it still doesn't matter. I mean, it don't matter. But yeah, guys, just make sure you rotate your tires every oil change, and make sure your alignment is good. Make sure your axle is good. Make sure your control arm is good. Make sure your shocks is good. Make sure your ball joints, all of that, in and out, your in and out tie rod also. Make sure all that is good. Once all of that is good, your tires will not eat up fast, and once you rotate them, they will last long, guys. The last tire that I had on there, I don't remember that I rotate them. And you know the type of job that I do, I deliver food for DoorDash, so I'm on the road 24/7, you know, all day. I'll be on the road delivering food, making money. In the morning, I'll be taking my mom to work, taking my sister to work, back and forth. I'll be using my car. Sometimes I don't use my car. Sometimes I use the Lexus, but majority of the time I use my car. So that's a good tip right there for you guys. If you make sure, if you buy any new tires and you know your car needs an alignment, if your wheel is pulling to the right or pulling to the left, just know that you need to get an alignment, and just tell them to do a simple check to see if you need shocks, if your control arms are worn. Make sure the axle is good, the in and out tie rod, the ball joints. Make sure everything is good. Just tell them if they could just check, do a little inspection to make sure, you know, everything is good on that point. Because you don't want to buy no new tire, especially 2 new tires, and then your vehicle start eating up the tires faster than what it's supposed to be doing. You want your vehicle to run the best, and you want your tires to last as long as possible, long as what they recommended. You know, this one give me 55,000 miles, and I'm planning on having these tires as long as possible. Do my best to take care of them. You know how that goes. But yeah, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I am happy with these lexani in my Avalon. They really ride nice. They really ride good. I just recently, last year, I had changed my shocks in the front, and this year, like last month, I just replaced the shocks that's in the back. So everything is smooth, everything is good. My car is awesome, it's riding good, love it. Yeah, feels nice, guys, feels awesome. Got 257,000 miles right now on there and some change. Yeah, 2008 Avalon Limited. Yeah, guys, it's beautiful. I love it. I enjoy my car. I love my car. I'll do my best to take care of my car, because right now vehicle is very expensive. But my favorite body style for the Avalon is the 2011-2012 limited edition, especially the one with the Bordeaux seats. Those are the brown seats. I have to get my hands on one of those one of these days. I just don't know when. when I get enough money or whenever I save enough money. Just wanna, I love this car. I love the car. I know I'm an old school guy. Hey, I love it. V6 engine. Yeah, man, I love it. But thank you guys for watching. You can hit that like, hit that subscribe button, leave a comment, tell me what you think. Have you ever used Lexani tires before? Let me know, yes or no, in the comment section. Or if you're planning on, or you're shopping around looking for tires, I recommend going online, walmart.com, and you could purchase them, get them sent to you, and you could just take them to a shop to get them installed. And I went to Tire Plus. I went to get my tires installed. They charge $30 per tire with tax. It came to like $60.95, which is not bad. It's $30 per tire plus tax, so it came to like $60.95. Can't beat that, guys. So I recommend you guys shop around and make sure when it tells you the miles for the tires, you click on the information for the tires. It tells you if it give you 50,000 miles, 55,000 miles, 40,000 miles. Make sure you get it with a high tread wear, so 55,000 or higher. And the higher it goes, the more expensive it's going to be for the tire, of course. But still, look for a good brand and look for a good affordable tires that is going to hold you up for a longer period of time. But yeah, guys, thank you guys for watching. Please like, subscribe. I appreciate the love and support. Peace, bye bye, take care, and God bless.